Hi, it's CJ with Diode Dynamics. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to swap the lens on your rock lights. Now we actually have two different versions of rock lights. One that is RGBW, giving you the option to change the color on the fly with your smartphone, and a single color option with a low and high power 10 watt, 1000 lumen wide output. Not only do our rock lights provide the brightest performance on the market, but when you choose to go with our single color option, you're not actually limited to just one color thanks to our interchangeable lens design. Our engineering team designed these rock light optics with several different color options so that you can still get the desired color while also having that high and low power output functionality. In addition, we designed both a diffused lens, which provides a soft, even spread of light, and an optically clear option for a more focused output. Now this opens the door for all kinds of applications, especially when you consider all the mounting options available. Now these don't meet road legal requirements, but say for instance you want to hook up the low power wire to your running light, high power to your brake light, snap on a red lens, and now you have a multi-function light you could easily mount to the rear roll bars on a side-by-side. Or maybe use the flush mount to cleanly integrate the lights into the bumper of your off-road vehicle. To swap out the lens of our rock light, we're simply going to grab our light, grab a trim removal tool. You'll notice on all four corners there are little notches between the lens and the housing. With the trim removal tool, press and twist lightly in the notch, working your way around each corner until the lens comes off. Then, grab your replacement lens and snap it into place. And just like that, you change the color output of your single color rock lights. If you'd like to pick up a set of our rock lights or any of our other products, you can visit diodedynamics.com, or you can use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. If you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.